For the submission of the Code-a-thon, remember to go back to the Code-a-thon page, and the submission form will open up on 17th. So it will stay open up for 3 days and you can submit it. Look forward to your submissions. Also, most importantly, to your questions. We love helping, mentoring and guiding how to make an interesting project. So we have regular mentoring sessions, so you can come forward and attend them. Or even if you are doing these projects outside the Code-a-thon, you can just go to you can just come to our project, this project, and you can put a comment with your questions and we will respond to you. Happy celebrations, happy coding.